Okay, Year 9, I'm going to make a video on bearings just to help you a little bit. Sorry about the quality, this is literally the best I can do. So, as you've seen from your Hegarty Maths videos, the bearings are measured going from north clockwise. There's an important thing to remember, which is when they ask you for the bearing of A from B, they're talking about this angle here. So when it says from B, that means you're getting to A from B. Now, as one of my students told me years ago, if it's not right, it's wrong. You're going clockwise, you're going right from north. So if I want the bearing of A from B, I want this angle here. If I want the bearing of B from A, I want this angle here because it's from A. So from A, to get to the line that takes me to B, would be 100. Now, I want to go over something to do with back bearings because we're struggling with some of the later questions. So we can use a lot of our angle facts and things we know about parallel lines. So we know that if this angle here is 100, then this angle here, these two must add up to 180 degrees from what we did with parallel lines, because these guys are co-interior, because the north lines will be parallel. So if this is 100, this must be 80. Okay? So if this is 100, this angle here must be 360 degrees, because that's all the way around, take away 80. And if I take that one away, I will get 280. Now you'll notice something pretty cool about the 100 and the 280. They've got a difference of 180, and we call this back bearings. So the bearing of B from A is 100. The bearing of A from B, we've just worked out, is 280. And they've got a difference of 180. And this will always be true, because this angle here that we're taking away from 360 is always going to be the angle that's needed to make up 180. This fact is always going to be true. So even if without a diagram, if you're told the bearing of B from A is 40, well, it wouldn't be 40, it'd be 040, because bearings have to be 3 digits, then I can find the bearing of A from B. Now this is smaller than 180, so I need to add 180 degrees, and that gives me 220. So I just add 180. If I get given a something that is bigger than 180, so for example, if I said the bearing of A from B is 200, then I would know that this angle here was 20, because all I'd have to do is subtract 180. And that should help me to do questions 4 and 5 in the Hegarty Maths tasks.